Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you the details of the new Audi A5 during the night. So let's immediately unlock the car. As you can see, we are greeted with the gorgeous digital OLED taillights looking so good. So the model in our video is the A5 Avant, so the estate version, and it looks magnificent. I mean, just look at the lighting signature here from the rear. The taillights that are connected, and you can change between various lighting signatures here at the rear but also on the front. Speaking about front, let me come here. You see the puddle light, and then here you can see the lovely matrix LEDs, very pronounced single frame grille, and I'm a big fan of this design. And now we will wait for the lights to turn off. You will see the lovely animation. There we go. The car locks itself. And now I will unlock it and show you this cool welcome lights. Gorgeous. And then you can change the lighting signatures for the matrix LEDs. And then here you see the puddle light. And also I want to show you additional cool detail on this car. Look at this. So this is for hands-free opening of the tailgate. There we go. And speaking about it, here you have the nice square shape, loads of room here at the back. So practical estate model. And we are ready to check it out. From driver's perspective. So these are the door handles, and then you see the puddle light here as well. S badge greeting you upon entering the car. You have the digital stage here, as Audi calls it, with the dual screen, and then the additional third screen, passenger's display. So without further ado, let's jump inside. And I will actually start the car. So you see here, start engine. And yeah, this is how it looks. So let me show you the screen layout from close. This is the 14.5-inch touchscreen with the new infotainment system. Then in front of the driver, you can see the 11.9-inch digital cockpit, and here is the optional passenger's display. So this one is the 10.9-inch screen. It is optional once again, but I think it suits the car so well, so I would definitely add it. Even like this with a standby screen, it's very cool. And yeah, now the screen itself, you have the new infotainment system, as I already mentioned. And let me show you the ambient lights, which are very cool during the night, especially, of course. So you can have it based on the drive select. So let's do this. So if I go to dynamic, and you see also the car turns on, we have the lovely red ambient lights. And there are ambient lights at the rear as well. Now, moving on, comfort, nice blue lights. And now let's go to the efficiency for the green lights. Looking very nice indeed. And yeah, let's go back to the individual. And now I will show you here the presets. So you see this dual color with the white and red, and then also other options. I quite like the blue one. As well as the purple one. You can also see it here. And then you can also change the color here for the lines and also for the surfaces. So for example, we can have this in blue, or I don't know, if you want it in the green color, it's also possible. And yeah, pretty much everything is possible, as you can see. So yeah, now let's go back. Let's put this one, for example. And let me insert this. I will now go outside and show you actually some of the exterior lighting signatures. So we have this one selected, but let's, for example, I don't know which one do you want, but yeah, let's, for example, put this one. Press select, and now it's selected. So I will also turn on the side lights so that you can see very clear here on the front. There we go. So now you see the lighting signature on the front, and also let me show you how it looks from the rear. So we changed it now. Very, very cool detail. Now we can go and select some other ones as well. So for example, this one, press select. And now, as you can see, different lighting signature. I quite like these for the rear. And then let me show you how the front ones look. And yeah, I want to hear your thoughts. Which one is your favorite? Let's see. I will also now press this first one. I want to see the headlamps. So, okay, now it's selected. Okay, this is very cool. From close. And then these are the taillights. Okay, let's do these and then that's it. So also very cool pattern. Front and rear. And actually, you know what? I'm gonna do all of them. So number 4, select. And really distinctive look of the car. Very, very impressive indeed. Number 5 looks like this. Let's select it. And actually this is the one that I already had. And now we need to check out the number 6. And yeah, look at the distinctive look now, especially here on the front. So let's select and go check it out. That's a cool pattern. Also from the rear. Audi is doing amazing job with the lights. And in number 7 we saw that, as well as number 8 and the others. So which one is your personal favorite? Yeah, here you have the lights and the minimalistic gear selector. Now we can go out and check out the car with the indicators turned on. So look at this. Dynamic indicators from the rear. Also look at this lighting, beautiful signature. And then from the front you can see the dynamic indicators as well. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me in the comments how do you like the new Audi A5, and also watch my point of view test drive to see more details and the drive itself. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.